Hi and thanks for stopping by. In this video we are going to install Proxmox version 4.4 by booting from the ISO. Let's scroll down and read the license agreement, then click the I agree button. Now select the target disk to install Proxmox onto, followed by the regional settings. Enter a secure password along with a valid email address. I'm going to use PVE at the attic.network. For the network settings I am going to set the IP address to 192.168.220.170, which is on my test network. Usual class B, subnet for the net mask. The default gateway address for my test network and the DNS address set to my Pi-hole DNS server. The install can take a little while to run. That's it, let's boot the server. We can now log in as the root user with the password we set earlier. Okay. Let's try logging into the web UI. Same as before, we use the root user with the password we set earlier. That's it. All done.